and good morning class 1. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. In our previous class, we started unit number 9, mass, and learned about what is mass and how we can measure the different objects by using different things. Today we learn standard units of mass. The kilogram is a standard unit of mass. We can measure different objects in kilograms. It is used for measuring heavy objects. Or we can say the kilogram is a bigger unit. We use a weighing scale to measure the mass of objects in kilograms. We write small kg for kilogram. Look at these machines. These all are weighing machines from which we can measure the different objects. We place a weight on one pan and an object on the other pan to measure the mass of that object. For example, the mass of the sack of flour is the same as 1 kilogram. If they are equally balanced, it means the mass of the object and the weight is equal. Look at this. The rice went down. It means the rice is heavier than 1 kilogram. So we can say the mass of the sack of rice is more than 1 kilogram. Okay, in the next picture, the pan of the candy went up. It means the candy is lighter than 1 kilogram. So, the mass of the pack of candy is less than 1 kilogram. Mass of different objects. Let's see the mass of the different objects. Look at this chicken. The mass of the chicken is 2 kilograms. Can you see the numbers on the weighing scale? It shows kilograms. The mass of the melon is 4 kilogram because the hand is on number 4. And the mass of the sugar pack is 5 kilograms. Let's start the exercise. Take out your math books, open page 111, exercise, work it out, measure and write the mass of the objects below. The first one is dates pack. The mass of the dates pack is the same as dash kilogram. Yes, it's 1 kilogram. Number B. The mass of the mangoes is less than dash kilogram. The pan of the mangoes went up. It means the weight of the mangoes is lighter than 3 kilogram, or we can say the mass of the mango is less than 3 kilograms. Okay, the next one is pineapple. The mass of the pineapple is more than dash kilograms. The pan of the pineapple goes down. It means it is heavier than the weight and it is more than 2 kilograms. Okay, now turn the page. Page 112, exercise on your own. Question number 1. Identify which of them are generally found to be below 1 kilogram and color them red. Color the ones above 1 kilogram green. Sort out the objects which can be below 1 kilogram. Color them red, and the objects which are above 1 kilogram, color them green. This is your homework. Okay, move on to the next page. Page 113, question number 2. Write the weight of each object and compare the masses using less than or greater than. The first one we have to compare the masses of watermelon and aquarium. The mass of the watermelon is 5 kilograms and the mass of the aquarium is 8 kilograms. So can you tell me which is heavier? Yes, the mass of the aquarium is greater than the mass of the watermelon. So we'll put the symbol of less than. The next one is we have to compare the basket of pears and a vase. The mass of the pear is 4 kilograms and the mass of the vase is 3 kilograms. And the mass of the pear is greater than the mass of the vase. The last one is, let's compare the washing powder, pack of washing powder and a cabbage. The weight of the washing powder is 3 kilograms and the weight of the cabbage is 1 kilogram. It means 3 kilogram is greater than 1 kilogram. I hope you all have done. Now note down the homework. Do page 112 in your books and submit them in school.